Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Okta SSO for SaaS apps, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Okta SSO for SaaS apps, begin by logging into your Okta admin dashboard. Navigate to the Applications section in the dashboard. Click on the Add Application button. In the application catalog, search for the SaaS app you wish to integrate. Select the appropriate app from the search results. Click the Add button to proceed with the integration. Configure the app settings according to your organization's needs. Fill in necessary fields such as the app name and description. Adjust the SSO settings, ensuring that the SAML or OIDC parameters are correctly configured. Enter the required information, such as the single sign-on URL and audience URI. Next, upload the appropriate certificate if required for the app's configuration. Once completed, click the Next button to move to the next step. Assign users or groups who will have access to the app. Select the users or groups from your directory to grant access. Review the settings and make any adjustments as necessary. After ensuring all information is correct, click the Finish button to save the configuration. Test the SSO integration by logging into the SaaS app using an assigned user account. Verify that the login process redirects to Okta and allows access to the app. Make sure to monitor and troubleshoot any issues that may arise during the implementation. Keep documentation of the integration for future reference and maintenance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.